In the shadow of World War II's devastation, a world weary and scarred, yearned for a new dawn. Amidst the rubble and ashes, the United Nations emerged, a symbol of unity and cooperation. Its mission, to rebuild a shattered world and to prevent such atrocities from ever happening again. The year was 1948. Eleanor Roosevelt, the esteemed First Lady of the United States, chaired the United Nations Commission on Human Rights. Her task was monumental, to draft a document that would encapsulate the fundamental rights to which all human beings are inherently entitled, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, or any other status. The Commission labored tirelessly, drawing upon the experiences of the war, the ideals of the Enlightenment, and the principles of justice and equality enshrined in numerous treaties and declarations. They sought to create a document that would serve as a beacon of hope, a guiding light in the darkest of times. The drafting process was not without its challenges. Delegates from various nations, each with their own cultural and political perspectives, debated fiercely over the wording and the scope of the declaration. Yet, they were united in their desire to create a document that would protect the dignity and worth of the human person. On December 10, 1948, after months of deliberation, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The document, with its 30 articles, outlined the basic rights and freedoms to which all individuals are entitled. It was a triumph of international cooperation and a testament to the shared human values that transcend borders and cultures. The declaration was a bold statement, a promise to the world that the horrors of the past would not be repeated. It stood as a reminder that every human being, regardless of their circumstances, deserved to live with dignity, freedom, and equality. In the years that followed, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights served as a blueprint for future human rights instruments. It inspired countless movements and initiatives aimed at promoting and protecting human rights worldwide. It became a symbol of hope, a beacon in the fight against injustice and tyranny. Today, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights stands as a testament to the power of unity and cooperation. It serves as a reminder of the shared human values that unite us all, and the duty we have to uphold and protect those values, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. As we continue to strive for a world free of oppression and injustice, we look to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a guiding light, a beacon of hope in an often dark world.